Your personality is being affected by your iPhone in very interesting ways. Some experts have called iPhone a substitute friend as much as a tool. You share meals together. Do you have a bit more reliance on the device, maybe more than your human friend? How can you know if iPhone fits your personality? Is there a default iPhone wallpaper that changes your mood in some way? The iPhone is the filter linking you with the world in many ways that people did before this era. The iPhone is like your rectangular bubble of choice of sorts. Academics have observed that every tool has affected human development. We all are part of a great, wonderful social experiment. Our work world is filled with machine friends that give us boosts of validation. They make us feel lifted up like a friend does. Machines are at our service, and iPhones are now intelligent machines. Hello! iPhones help us have fun, like friends at a party. In the past, we imagined what the future would bring. Our desires have now expanded as to what we want today, and that makes us even more hungry for experience. If you use an iPhone, you may think of yourself as a lifestyle extroverted person, say pundits. Geneva Center testing.